Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will to show you the way how you can use the Microsoft Excel on your iPhone. So here you just need to open your application of Excel. You can just type into the App Store here on Microsoft Excel, or simply type Excel and then just go click and found the applications. So the symbolize of the Microsoft Excel could be this. So you just need to go download it again. And then you just need to wait until the application is got installed perfectly on your phone. And now perfect, the application is already installed on my phone. Just go tap into this open and then the application will be start to be opened. Just need to wait, and there could be several information that you need to deal with right after the application is open. And now you just need to skip this if you don't want to purchase or do the subscriptions. Just close it. And here is the look. You already got this. There could be an option here to create a new documents. So you just need to go tap into this plus button right here, and then you just need to go click into this blank tab. So basically the way how you work with the Microsoft Excel could be similar with the Google Sheets. So you will work with the cells, which is the combination between the column that's symbolized by the alphabet and the rows that's symbolized by the number right here. And then if you want to edit the information inside of the cells right here, you just need to tap into this side, and then you can just start editing your book. And that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.